Hi guys. Look at this beautiful, long, luscious hair. Oh my god. I am so obsessed. And guess what? It took me like 10 minutes to put it on. And I did it myself at home. Bro, flip this up. It ain't nothing under there. This video, I'm going to show you guys how to install. Well, I'm going to show you how I installed and styled this U-part wig on myself. You guys, I'm like so in love. Like, this is perfect. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to do this, please keep watching. Alright guys. So what you'll need is some scrunchies, a clip, some bobby pins, a brush, a comb, your U-part wig, so pretty, and maybe some hair product or a flat iron, whatever you plan on parting your hair, styling your hair with. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decide on what kind of part I want or what kind of style I want. So when you're doing a U-part wig, it's basically like a weave with leave out, except for in wig form. So you're either gonna do a center part or a side part or off-centered or no part. So I think today I'm gonna do a center part. So I'm gonna part my hair. And I'm gonna figure out what exactly I want to leave out. So this wig has like a short U-part. Sometimes they'll be longer, and what I mean by that is your placement will be, you know, a little further back or a little further forward depending on how close you want the wig to be to your hairline. So I'm kind of measuring mine, and this is going to be a shorter part. So you can see the back of the wig is right here. So I need to keep that in mind. So now I'm going to section out my hair, starting there. And I'm just going to make a little U. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna clip this. And I'm gonna part out a little bit of my baby hairs. I want those out. And I'm also going to take a nice little square piece from right here, like that. I'm going to take another square piece from this side. And then a nice little square piece from the back. I'm going to put the rest in a ponytail for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece here, keeping my edges out, take this square piece on this side, and I'm going to braid it going towards this way. Just a 3-strand braid. As tight to the root as possible. reason you braid it this way is because the braid ends up closer to the root and your U part as possible. Because if you braid this way, it just doesn't go like, it won't be as tight up here. So you see it kind of like wants to bounce this way, but we're gonna force it this way because the braid starts right there. And we're gonna do the same thing with the back. We're gonna braid this forward. Let's braid it this way. Okay, now that you have those 3 braided, we are now going to put all of this into a ponytail. And then, now that you have your ponytail, you are going to either do a really, really, really tight, small bun. I mean, this has to be like the tightest, smallest bun ever. But if you have a lot of hair or long hair, what you can do is you can braid it really nice, tight braid. Really what you want to do is condense all your hair as much as possible. So it's up to you to decide whether a really small bun will work or if you need to braid it. So I'm just going to put my rubber band down here. And then I'm just going to kind of like flip it up and flip it back down. And I'm going to pin it. Alright, now the fun part, we get to clip the wig on. So you just want to undo all the clips on your wig. And I usually start with the middle back one. So I'm going to clip this here. You see how easy it just stays with those braids? It's like those braids just help so much. If you want, you can put like a few more clips in there, make it more secure. Perfect. So now I'm just going to style my wig out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my straightener to crimp it. So I'm going to straighten it in the way I want it to go, and then I'm going to go back and forth and create soft waves. Ooh, girl. Rapunzel is here. I love this. You can tuck it behind your ear or however you please. I love these wigs because it's like they're just so easy to like switch it up. Like my hair was done. And the other thing is, like, if you clip these wigs onto the doll head, right, or your doll stand, you can style the hair off your head. Like, it's so hard to be doing curls and like styling and stuff, and you just put it on the doll head, you just style it up. Or shoot, you could just like wet it down and let it dry, and then when you're done getting dressed and stuff, you just put on your wig and it's fresh curls. So cute. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask below. Make sure to subscribe to my page. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.